Hello, welcome to Peemkay Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to buy shares from FAST2EARN using your Perfect Money PM. You can buy shares either using your Perfect Money or with your Bitcoin, PayPal, your credit card, and even Litecoin. But on this tutorial purpose, I'm going to show you how to buy FAST2EARN shares with your Perfect Money. So let's go get it. Before we proceed, if you know you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos. You make sure you subscribe, tap on the bell icon, change it to all, make sure so that you get notified. What we're going to do is to go to the browser, go to FAST2EARN by tapping on the website. If you're writing the website down, I'll keep the website link down below the video description. If you're new to FAST2EARN, make sure you sign up using the link, and if you're already a member, just sign in and buy a share. So what we're going to do is to go look for the shares and how to buy the shares. On the top right corner at the top, there is a menu there. Tap on the menu. It will then tap on projects. Tap on all projects. Once you click on all projects, now I see there are numbers of projects down here. Now what we're going to do is to reshuffle the project in a sequence whereby that I will get higher returns whenever if I'm buying these shares. I want a share that will give me more dividend, more daily dividends. So what you're going to do is to tap on ROI. Once you tap on the ROI, it is going to shuffle all the shares that will give you higher returns. Once you tap on the ROI, it will turn red. As you can see, these are the shares that will give you more daily dividends. You will earn more from these shares. But if you check, there is what we call A rating share, A minus rating share, and A plus rating shares. The A minus rating shares are the shares that are verified, but we don't know if they are going to succeed in the market or they are not going to succeed in the market. So, but for the A plus share, you can see we have one here. There are shares that have already succeeded in the market and have been giving daily dividends without stopping. So if you buy these shares, it is more likely for the shares to even rise in numbers. The cost might even rise with time. And so you can see we have manufacturing of 3D printers. This share is now the hot cake in the market in FAST2EARN. If you buy these shares, you see, like for people who have bought these shares earlier, most of the people have bought it for $7, $8, or even less. But today you can see it has cost up to $28.80 per share. So how does this share look like? If I'm buying a share, let's check on this share and see what it costs. We see we have more A rating shares are here and A minus shares also are there. So let's try to buy one of the shares. But before then, let's look at the profile of the shares. You tap on the graph and it will give you information about the share. Try to study your shares properly before you purchase them to see whether if you're going to earn more from them. As you can see, this is a DOX crypto online stock exchange, and the price of each share is like $6.80 per share. It has grown for about $2.48 recently, and the daily dividends are about 0.02 cents daily. These are your daily dividends, what you're going to be receiving daily from this share. And the annual returns is there about 105.88%. Total shares as there. You can see it has more details. You can study how it's paying, the buying and selling of cryptocurrency. All the information you require will be there. So If you keep scrolling, you keep getting the more information about the share. So we are here to buy the share, and what I'm going to do next is to invest now. Once you tap on invest now, it's going to take you to the cart where it will be in your cart. No, I never added manufacturing 3D printer today, so let's remove it and go back and try to invest again. So I only want one of the share, so just tap on one. You can buy as the numbers of shares you want. Each might cost $6.80 per share. If you want to buy 10, it will be there. Put it as the quantity. The quantity should be 10. As you can see, it will be calculated when you put down. It will show you how much you're going to pay. But I'm buying one for this tutorial purpose, which will cost me about $6.80. So if you're buying with your Visa card, you might be having some discount or no discount. If you're buying with PayPal, you might be having discount or no discount, depending on the numbers of shares you're buying. But if you're buying one shares, and if you use Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, you'll be having 4% discount. So if you're having a Perfect Money, for this purpose, we are using Bitcoin. As you can see, they have given us some 4% discount, which is minus 0.27. So if I'm buying this share worth $6.80, I'm going to buy it for $6.53 because of the discount which they have given me. Once you have chosen your payment method, purchase the share. Once you purchase the share, it will redirect you to Perfect Money website where you're going to make the payment. Check the information correctly, and if you're sometimes you get some errors here and it won't show you any page here. So what you're going to do is to first of all go back once and then go forward again, and it will show you the payment gateway. So this it will take you to this, and if you get this, it means it's ready for payment. What you're going to do now is to sign into your Perfect Money. If you don't have a Perfect Money account, check out some of my previous video which have shown you how to create a Perfect Money account, and I'll be keeping a link in the description below so that you can sign up a Perfect account. Make sure you register with your IDs and make sure you write them down and keep them safe for later use. If I want to sign into my ID, I have it saved. I will just sign in, and then I have a Tory number here which I'm going to enter it. The Tory number is 09. So the Tory number is here. The next is to tap on preview payment. If you're previewing payment, it will show you all this preview payment. Make sure you have enough fund in your Perfect Money. If you don't have fund in your Perfect Money, I have shown you how to fund it. Also, it's there in the video. I have made a previous video on how to show you how to fund your Perfect Money. Please check it. I'll be keeping a link in the description for that too. So as you can see, a payment fee will be charged, which is about 1.99%. So if I'm paying, the amount of that share is 6.53 USD, so I'll be paying 6.65 USD, which I'll be charged, and this is my account where it will be deducted from. So if I say continue payment, it will continue payment, and then it will show that my payment is complete, and what I'm going to do is to continue to FAST2EARN. So if I continue, it will submit form and the payment is successful, and you take me back to FAST2EARN. So once it take me to FAST2EARN, I think I'm having some server hang up. Let me try to refresh it. Yes, good job. So I refresh it and it say thank you for your payment, which means they have received my order, and then we have received your money, and during next 1 or 2 hours the purchase item will be transferred to your account. Please be patient because the process of transferring items for one owner to another takes time. You can see the progress of this transfer at the order website web page. So you can tap on the order with the write up that it's in blue color. You tap on the orders and it will show you your orders in your statistics, which is in your transactions. This is my transaction status. It has shown me that I have made a purchase of share and it's under process. So we can check in back later to see if our item has been added, our shares has been added to our catalog. So you can also tap on the top where you see some gold coins on the top, where it will take you back to the first page of the website. And then what we're going to do is to go to our shares. When you go to all shares, tap on all shares, and then it will show you all the shares you have. It will be listed here. These are my shares that I'm having here, and I have some shares on sale. So as you can see, you can also sell your shares whenever you want to sell them. So thank you for watching, and I believe this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe and tap on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And you can also check asking me questions down the comment section and I will answer you. You can even mail me. You can also mail me at mubarakabubakarbako@gmail.com with your questions. I'll reply to your question as soon as I get them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Hello baby, are you there? I'm infected with your love. Baby beligi, kiche chekuji, duka na kule sata kule